guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the red subscribe button down below. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into the video. Today's video is going to be a back to school DIY. So what you're going to need is a notebook. This is from the Dollar Tree and some stickers from the Dollar Tree. You might want Mod Podge or whatever if you want to do that, but you do not have to. So first we're going to take these letter stickers. We're going to go ahead and open them. ASMR real quick. Now we're going to pick out our names. We're just going to pick out different letters. I think I'm going to do the silver for the first letter of my name. And I'm going to kind of center it. If you want a ruler, you can kind of use a ruler, or you can just kind of go wherever you want. And then I'm going to pick out the next letter of my name. So I need an A. So do I want a different color of an A? So we have these A's. I'm going to use a black A, I think, because that's the color. And then I need an R. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R. Well, I think I'm going to use this R. I think that would be pretty. And T. I have these two T's to choose. I'm going to use this T. H, C, D, E, F, G, H. These are the H's I have to choose from, so I think I'm going to use this H. I'm going to need another A, so I'm going to use this A for the end. So we're going to put your name on it in stickers. So there you go. Let me make sure I can focus this. Let me make sure it focuses better. I'm going to try to get a better focus. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. You can always paint this notebook too. Sorry if it's not focused very good. Zoom out a little bit. There. It's focused a little bit better, I think, now. There, it's focused much better. Now, we're going to use the other stickers that we have, and we're going to go ahead and open them. Subscribe if you made it this far into the video. So we're just going to kind of pick some stickers, different ones, and just kind of add them around, different sizes. And then we're going to use some of these. And just kind of put them all throughout the notebook. And you could also, if you can find a notebook other places in the Dollar Tree, you can use that, especially if you can find a cheaper one than a Dollar Tree, like a 50-cent one, or however much you want to pay for it. And then you're just going to put the jewels where you want them, different sizes of them, and just kind of do that throughout. And like if you didn't want that to show, you could just paint that real quick or whatever. If you don't care, you don't have, it doesn't really matter. And you can also use other I think I'm not going to use these ones. I'm just going to use these because I like how it looks in like the little silver. Subscribe if you made it this far into the video. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't already. Make sure you like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. It would really help out this channel if you subscribe it down below. Hit that red subscribe button. So anyways, I went ahead and finished it up because my camera SD card ran out. So I went ahead and finished it up, and this is what it looks like off camera. I finished it up off the camera, and this is what it looks like. And I think it's really cute. Obviously, I didn't add anything on the bottom, but if you wanted to, if you had some Mod Podge or extra time, or if you don't care, you could add some Mod Podge over top of it just to make sure it stays. And obviously, unless your name is Martha, you wouldn't put Martha on it, or you could even put your last name on it. You would just use your name, or if you're making it for a friend, you would use their name or their last name or whatever. So anyways, hopefully this helped you out with some back to school DIY ideas. So anyways, thanks to you all for watching so much and liking, subscribing. See y'all. Hopefully you enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe, and have a great day.